So today we're in Westfield in a very special neighborhood of Indian Forest. And Indian Forest is special because if you look around, you'll see the lots are a lot larger than your average lot property size in Westfield. The homes are unique. They are all architecturally different from each other. They were built over the years. Many of them are super timeless and elegant. And this is definitely one of those neighborhoods that even locals kind of dream to get into over the years. Most of the neighborhood has been rebuilt over the years. You have occasional home that's still holding out and is still here, and that's okay. That's what makes neighborhoods special. But you do see a lot of homes that are being rebuilt as a completely new construction or sometimes as a major renovation. What's the difference? Major renovation generally means there's an original basement that was left in place and some of the original walls as well. And we will see today one of those homes that's located in Indian Forest. And this home is practically brand new. Everything about this home is new except the original foundation. And we'll talk about the benefits and the cons of that setup. Let's go. This meticulously built home is a collaboration of a husband and wife. They're a beloved Westfield couple. They grew up in town. They've been together since middle school, I believe, but they're a powerhouse design and builder collaboration, and they build these really distinct homes. This particular home is a major renovation. What does that mean? The home is ultimately brand new. What you see in front of you is all brand new. New electric, new walls, new floors, new windows, new roof, everything. The only thing that is original on this particular home is the foundation and the garage level, which is essentially the basement. And I can't wait to show you all of those details. If you like these kind of videos, if you like sneak peeks inside people's homes, please subscribe to our channel, hit like and comment. We would love to hear from you. And wait till the very end because we will show you a couple of things that we're absolutely obsessed in this very particular home that we're about to show you. Over 5,000 square feet. This home is finished across 4 levels. It has 6 ensuite bedrooms, which essentially means that every single bedroom has its own private bathroom. So you have a long driveway into a 2-car garage. Another special thing about this home is that the property allows for a circular driveway. So if you wanted that circular driveway grand look, you could absolutely, this would be one of your entrances. You would go up and go in front of the house with another curb cut on the other side. Because this property is extra wide, it's 121 feet by 160 feet. It's almost half an acre. So it does allow to, add all this, a little more grandness to the property as well. This house was just rebuilt last year. So a lot of this is absolutely brand new. The exterior is a custom color. I do appreciate this entrance with the columns and just the way it highlights the front door. The front door is also super special with the windows around it. It just brings a lot of natural light into the home, but also just look how it just makes it so special with the stairs and the roof and the landscaping that just highlights the home and the architectural details. This blue stone patio leads into a grand front door. Come on in. So now we're inside a 19-foot high foyer. It is super grand, super bright. You have white oak floors. This is a chevron layout. It highlights this space and separates it from the surrounding rooms. The staircase matches the floors as well, but the spindles give it a little bit of that modern touch. You have moldings throughout the house that gives the home character, but they're super clean and refined and not intruding. Like, it's truly a modern, crisp home with a lot of character throughout. One of the things that this collaboration is famous for is these arches that they put that make the home just that much more special. We don't see arches often. It is a hard architectural detail. It's hard to make them. This is a fully circular arch as well. It's not an oval. So it just nice way to walk into the house and being welcomed by this special space. But as much as we like shiny things, it's also important to have practical items, right, in your home. So you have a closet right here by your front door. The closet is deep, there's a lot of space, but look how tall these doors are. These are custom doors. Love the hardware details. The hardware is black, it's not intrusive, it's just minimalistic enough to provide character, but not take over. I also appreciate this private office space right off of the front door. You have these two double doors here for privacy, which you can close and open as necessary. This room is color drenched, which means that the moldings, the walls, the built-ins, and the ceiling are all the same color. So the room is drenched in the same color. The built-ins make the space functional and a great office to work out of. I love these 3 windows that bring in so much natural light into the space. This light fixture is also a statement without being too overpowering, but provides great light for your office and your work environment. A powder room is one of the ways that you can, make it a little more fun. Well, this powder room has a Philip Jeffries wallpaper. It feels like linen. It's really interesting. I love this vanity. I love the metal details. And the feet under it. I love this little peekaboo space that this designer and builder are known for. Look at this little door. Toilet paper in the bathroom, but you don't want it in the open. You have this little hidden closet right here. Obsessed with this wallpaper. If you come close and you look at it, it literally feels like fabric. It has details to it and the grain that really brings texture to the room and warms up the space. Upstairs, we have 5 more bedrooms. 4 of them are on the 2nd floor, and then you have a private bedroom on the 3rd floor as well, with a study. You have super high ceilings on the 2nd floor as well, and it feels really bright and grand up here. I love the view down. You can see how gorgeous this front door is and how incredible this light fixture is. And the windows over the front door, that's what makes this whole entire home feel so bright. I love that detail in the ceiling. It's a tray ceiling without being too overpowering. You do have the arches that continue up here as well. This home has 2 wings, right? So you come up here, we're on this landing on the 2nd floor. On this side of the house, we have the primary, and then we have what someone would consider maybe a baby room, right? It's the bedroom that's the closest to the primary. That's what they're generally used for. So come, let's check them out. So because every single bedroom is an ensuite, this one is as well. You have these huge closets. Look at the size of these doors. Just these doors alone are so unique. So the ceilings up here are probably 9 feet, which makes this door is probably 8.5 feet. It's unusual for a door, right? It's much bigger than an average door size. Every single bedroom, as I mentioned before, is an ensuite bathroom as well. Love this tile choice. This bathroom has an oval window and it's balanced out with another oval window on the other side of this home, and you can see it from the front of the house. But this is a great bedroom, which is the closest to the primary. And then you have these arches and these private doors that take you to the primary bedroom. So you want to close the door? Sure. Peekaboo, come on in. This is the primary. Over here, you have the primary bathroom with marble floors, a custom double vanity, lots of natural light. This floor is actually heated, so it makes this bathroom cozy and really great to use. Huge walk-in shower. Love the details on the bottom, the way the water drains, the water drain. Love the little shaving peekaboo window. Huge tub, lots of built-ins, double vanities as well. You have that hidden door for the toilet paper here as well. But I do appreciate all the storage that this home has for sure. Another thing I wanted to mention is over the tub, the barrel ceiling. The way it is, continues with the arches throughout this home. It's an incredible architectural detail. They've tiled it to bring it a little more character, but you also very practical choices. You have built-ins on both sides of the tub for a lot of extra storage. And you know my obsession with pocket doors, well, this home has plenty. You press the little button, a little lever comes out, and you close the door. Love me a pocket door. Come on in. So let's see the rest of the home. Here you have two walk-in closets. You have his closet and her closet. Both have doors. And the arch leads you to the primary. So there is another door here. It's another pocket door for additional privacy as well. Really nice ceilings. The white oak floor continues to the ceiling. The beams continue to the ceiling. You also have a lot of windows. You have 6 big windows in this room. They're oversized windows, so you get a lot of natural light. And it's just a great bedroom. Please pay attention to the arches. Love these arches, love this pocket door. So just imagine walking out of your bedroom, arch 1, arch 2. Really cool, really, really cool. So on this side of the home, you have another wing. But before we get to the rest of the bedroom, a very practical and functional part of the household, super important, is this laundry room. How fun is the tile choice? I love that the tiles are unique and different, but you have this great countertop here. You have a hanging bar, great for folding laundry, lots of storage here. Obsessed with this little ironing board, built-in Nook. It's definitely for someone who likes to iron a lot. I do. The built-ins continue here as well. You have these oversized washer and dryer with additional storage on top. The countertop space continues here as well. It's a great laundry for a big family to fill in all those 6 bedrooms. On this side of the house, you have 2 bedrooms, right? So these girls share a room. Love the little princess details. Another walk-in closet with these barn doors. You have an ensuite bathroom as well. Every bedroom does. A little bit different tile than the other bathrooms. They're all just slightly different from each other. And the wallpaper, the custom wallpaper from downstairs, it continues as well up here. All bedrooms are very well sized. This bedroom has a walk-in closet, a full bathroom as well, and an oval window in the closet to match the oval window that we saw in the other bathroom before, to balance it out in front of the house. Yes, another bathroom, just a little bit different from the other ones. They're all just slightly different. I do appreciate the arch in the shower. It gives it character without being overstating. And remember, I mentioned this home is finished across 4 levels. So it has a fully finished 3rd floor. A lot of it is for storage, but you do have a completely private bedroom up here with its own bathroom and an office. Really nice ceilings, unusually high for a 3rd floor. It doesn't feel like an attic. I feel like calling this space an attic would be a disservice. So it's definitely a 3rd floor. I love this carpet. Has, you know, like a little bit of a texture to it. Great space to be in. Look at those windows in the front of the home. Obsessed. And the space does have its own private bathroom as well. Very different from the rest, you know. They're all super unique. But if you have a teenager, an older kid, an au pair, or you want to use it as a guest suite, it's a great place. So now we're in the basement of this home. And as you remember when we started this video, I mentioned to you that the basement is the only original part of this home. It's a huge space. It is has a lot of flexibility. These homeowners chose not to finish it because they have little kids and they want to use it as a big open space. But eventually it could be, you know, divided into smaller sections if you chose to. You could put an office down here, a theater room. It's definitely a flexible space. So, and your garage is down here as well. So it does make it super convenient. You pull in and then you bring your groceries right upstairs. Let's talk about the guts of the home. It's not the most glamorous part, but it's definitely one of the most important ones. So as I mentioned to you, this home was finished just last year. So all of the guts of this particular home are brand new. You have an oversized water heater. You have an instant water heater. You have your electrical panel down here. This home also has a Porta-Soft water softener. We are known to have hard water in Westfield. Your sump pump is down here as well. That's where any water that would be accumulating under the basement floor would go, and the pump would pump it out of the house. Your furnace is here as well. Your Sonos hookup is down here as well. This is where the guts of your home would go. This grand and custom home is available for sale in Westfield, New Jersey. If you enjoyed this kind of a tour, if you want to see more homes like this, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you guys later.